like starting over until it's over.
Family and friends, thank you for gathering here today to celebrate the love that Megan and Ty share.
Truth comes back when you want it.
They have built the kind of relationship that will serve them well as the foundation for their marriage. They have chosen each one of you to be here with them to witness their wedding vows as they join together as husband and wife.
Back if we want it. Thought of almost everything.
From the day I met you, I knew I loved you. And it amazes me. It makes me happy every day that I wake up. Even if occasionally you have bad taste in books. That's neither here nor there, though. I'll break you out of that. I knew without a doubt I would want to continue the journey with you. No matter how hard the path, because you're my one. You're my Rapunzel.
Okay, so in case everyone didn't know, I'm gonna be a surgeon, and I like to keep things short. So I'm gonna start off my vows with a one-liner. Ty is a 31-year-old male with a history of buying too many books, eating too many Spam musubis, and drinking too much seltzer water, who presents here today to marry me, the luckiest girl in the world.
I found my other piece. Even if I'm not a believer in fate or anything, I know you're my other half. This world is a big, really scary place, but we'll conquer it. We'll get it. I'm going to stand by you, defend you, support you. I'm going to make sure your waters are full, your food is made, that you have all your string cheeses. Your fair life is perfectly cold.
I feel so lucky to have found someone as kind, loving, and supportive as you. When I moved across the country for medical school 4 years ago, I never thought that I would find not only my partner, but also my best friend. Our journey through our respective studies and being long distance for almost half of our relationship wasn't always easy. We've had many challenges, but I think we've grown a lot as a couple, and I'm thankful that you were by my side through it all. I knew that I loved you when I realized that it didn't matter what we were doing, I just wanted to be around you. Whether it was having an amazing day at Disney, eating Dole Whips, people watching, and waiting way too long in line for a ride as short as Peter Pan's flight, to laying on the couch watching trash reality TV and sending too many raccoon and red panda videos to each other, I loved every second of it. Like Winnie the Pooh said, any day spent with you is my favorite day. I promise to love you even when you're biting your string cheese instead of pulling it apart like a regular person. And when you tell me that I don't look cool when I wear my sunglasses inside, it's okay. I know it's cool already. I also promise to fill your life with laughter, make you feel loved every day, be supportive of your dreams, and most of all, be your best friend. You're my greatest adventure, and I love you.
I love you. And I can't believe it.
It was Ty's and Megan's layover trip to Hawaii when we met Ty for the very first time. I never imagined that he would be the one to steal my baby's heart.
You guys finding each other was perfect. Good days will outlive all the challenging days.
You guys complement one another so well, and I can't wait for all that the future holds for you. I wish you guys nothing but happiness on all the adventures to come.
With Ty by your side, it will, without a doubt, be the best adventure of your life. Raise your glass to adventure.